One of the questions I always get when people are cooking out is what happens when there's a flare-up? You put a steak, a pork chop, chicken, vegetables, all these different things on the grill, and sometimes you will get flames. Don't freak out, people. It is okay. Flames happen on a grill. Whether it is charcoal or gas, flare-ups happen. The most important thing is do not panic when there is a flare-up. The easiest solution, which will typically solve the problem immediately, is close the lid of your grill. Once the grill stops getting air, the fire will go down pretty quickly. After about 30 seconds to a minute, if you open the grill up and the flare-up still persists, I always keep a nice, clean, new water bottle around that I just fill with plain old water, give it a squirt, the flare-up should go away immediately. Again, the most important thing is don't panic. They do happen. It doesn't mean you did anything wrong. Just get ready to put the lid down, have a little water on hand, everything's gonna be okay.